What's up, guys? Javier from That Racing Channel. Welcome back to another episode. We're out here in Tulsa, Oklahoma for our King of the Open Road Drag and Drive. For those of you Honda fanatics, you will know this car behind me. This is Aaron Lopez with his all-wheel drive 1200 horsepower Prelude. This thing came out, completed a 250-mile drive, and now we got a whole weekend of drag racing. We're about to check this thing out. We're gonna learn all the little ins and outs of this thing. We're also gonna go for a spin and see what this thing is all about. Aaron, what's up, brother?
Morning, Javier. How are you, sir?
Good to see you, man.
Yes, sir.
Here, bright and early, Tulsa, Oklahoma, King of the Open Road, and you brought the Prelude, man.
I did. I brought my street car.
This thing is so badass, bro.
Thank you.
It's been a while. We've wanted to feature this thing forever, and we featured your all-wheel drive Civic for many, many years.
Right.
And I know you've been getting this thing sorted, and I mean, you officially have this thing 8-second approved.
Correct.
And this thing's just full street car.
Absolutely.
You did a 250-mile drive.
Yep. I've done like 4 of them. I think that was the 4th one I've done.
Heck yeah,
So,
dude.
I mean, it loves the street. The first few times we took it to the track, it struggled, but now we did street and track, and so far, it's been happy.
Yeah, man. So I've never ridden in this thing, so I'm super excited. We're about to go take this thing for a drive, see what it's all about. Go ahead and pop the hood for us real quick. God. Dude, everything you build is so clean. It's so well done.
Thank you. Yeah, this one I built,
man.
This one I built from the ground up, so there's a reason for everything. Placement, you know, my race car I built a long time ago, and everything just got crammed in there. So this one's very serviceable, even though it's a street car. Like, transmission can come off with just taking the intercooler pipe. Nothing else needs to be removed. Just in case you want to work on it. We never want to work on them, but it's easy to work on. So everything has a rhyme and reason.
I mean, when you're racing at this level, this is well into the 8s.
Yes.
Stuff happens.
Yeah.
You know?
So if it happens, make it easy to work on.
Absolutely, man. What size turbo is it?
Precision 739. Next gen. Yeah.
That's a spicy turbo, dude.
It's a good little street turbo, absolutely.
Yeah, man.
Make some jam, make some jam.
You know, just a little street turbo that I could fit my fist in. Yeah, those precision turbo, the next gens are super spicy, man.
Yeah,
so this thing makes what, 1200 horsepower or something?
It makes about 1200. We made a 1060 on the dyno. We turned it up 10 more pounds of boost on the track. So
how much boost was that 1060?
I'd have 40 pounds.
Okay. And then on the track, how much boost is
50.
50 pounds.
Yeah.
And that's where, I mean, these things really love to see that, you know, that
and it'll make
40
more,
plus
but
range.
that's on pump E85. I mean, like, we're not trying not to push it too much.
Yeah,
so,
man.
I mean, that's already pushing enough.
Yeah, so this thing's probably 1200 plus.
About 1200, yeah.
Man, it's so badass. Good. So something I noticed, does this thing used to have a pulley cough?
It does. It's in the trailer. I wanted to make it a little
much louder now.
Yeah, it's a little louder. It's actually really quiet with the new exhaust I built for it.
Yeah. So you did that for what? Weight reduction or?
Weight reduction, absolutely. Yeah. And I have a remote radiator as well for all the street driving. Yeah. So I took that off. It's just 4 bolts, a couple of hoses.
Hell yeah.
Doesn't need that for the racetrack. So took a little bit of weight out of it. But all the interior, I thought about taking the passenger seat out, but nah, it'll be all right.
Hell yeah, dude. Awesome, man. Well, I'm going to give people a walk around and then we'll go for a spin. Yep. But yeah, this thing is probably one of the baddest Preludes on the planet. Woo, look at this thing. God, this thing's gangster. 11H, 24 and a half. Give you guys a little first look view here. Rotex C125. seats and back seats. So sick. Boys, this is Prelude Dreams right here. Let's go for a ride.
Did you want the AC on?
This thing has AC.
Yeah, it has. It's a street car.
This thing has AC. What?
Yeah, we'll turn it on.
My man, I think this is the first all-wheel drive Honda that I've ever been in that has AC.
I live in Texas. It's hot in Texas.
Oh man,
Come on.
what a treat.
You gotta treat yourself every now and
1200
then.
horsepower all-wheel drive Honda with AC.
Yeah.
It doesn't get more gangster than that. This thing's already Tier C approved.
Hey, that's easy enough. That's all I had to do. I could have saved a lot of money.
Dude, this is probably, in my opinion, the baddest, one of, if not the baddest, Preludes on the planet. You know, you don't see them built to this level a lot.
No.
And this is honestly one of my favorite Honda platforms, like growing up.
Yeah.
But you just, I don't know, you just don't really see them too often, you know?
Yeah, one of my favorite cars. I had a couple of them in college, and I said if I was going to build another car, this is what I was going to build. Just the body lines, it was kind of ahead of its time. I mean, even now, it doesn't really look outdated. It looks really cool.
It looks super gangster, man. And the
Yeah.
color and everything. The wheel setup looks so aggressive.
Yeah.
So we got a dog box here.
Yeah.
Dog box with a strain gauge, stock steering wheel,
Yes.
OEM Plus interior, little C125 dash. That's what I'm talking about right here.
I'll turn the air back on for you.
This thing is absolutely insane.
More fun.
Oh my god. Excuse my language. Because this thing is an animal, dude. God, dude, it just... Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little worried about traction.
No, we don't have those problems anymore.
This thing just hooks and goes.
Yeah, it's put...
And it's straight as an arrow.
Exactly. Yeah. Well, hopefully. So I put 50 pounds down on it second gear on my M&H radials in second accidentally. We were dialing the boost control, and it was only supposed to make like 40, and came back and it was like 52 pounds. Like,
Oh
wow.
my god.
Yeah. That felt amazing.
Dude,
Yeah.
this Motec is doing its thing.
Yeah.
So it's on a Motec, Motec F150.
F-150. Yeah.
So,
Exactly.
yeah, Motec F150. I mean, dude, this is what, dude, Honda dreams are all about. This right here.
That was a good one. That felt better.
I'm absolutely in love with this thing.
Yeah, it's fun to drive.
I'm absolutely in love with this thing. Oh my god, I need an all-wheel drive Honda in my life again.
Now you can see why I drove this all day yesterday.
Why you do this to me, bro?
Let's turn the air back on.
Turn the air back on. Oh, I love it. Wow. Wow. That's all I gotta say.
Appreciate it.
Wow. You built a hell of a car, dude.
Thank you. Yeah. Took some time. I wanted to build a real street car.
This is a real street car right here, dude. Wow. We got the factory seats back there.
That's right.
Like
Everything. Sun visors. I mean, the sun, just in case you want to drive into the sunset, you know?
there you go.
That's right.
Yeah, Butt Dino says this is all of a 165 mile an hour car on the street. Like,
Yeah.
dude, honestly, like it barely even like it didn't spin. It just,
No.
dude, it just
No.
goes, man. So, what's the all-wheel drive setup?
Yeah, so it's got the usual wagon viscous, wagon rear end. It uses my bell housing that I made. The few H22 all-wheel drive billet bell housing for an 8 series. So it's a Prelude. I mean, it came with an H22. I made the bell housing that will work with an H22. So that's what it is. It's got a K-series transfer case. It's got a Gear X dog box in it. It's got DSS axles. your usual.
So basically, everything you can do to an all-wheel drive Honda.
Yeah, there's nothing stock left in it, honestly. But you don't have to worry about it that way.
What, like, weight, viscous fluid are you?
It's got 60K.
60K.
Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of the best all around.
Whatever's in it works.
It works, yeah. We didn't spin the tires in the front.
Whatever is in it works, my dude.
Yeah.
Man, love it. And for those of you who watch the RSX series, when we set the record, the world record at the time for the RSX platform, Aaron actually rebuilt our transfer case, and once he rebuilt it, we were able to run that record, and the thing never ran better. Like, dude,
appreciate it.
Thank you so much for taking me for a ride.
Yeah, no problem.
Honestly, this was like bucket list experience. I've always wanted to go for a ride in your race car. But obviously, that one's, you know.
Yeah, it's a little harder to sit in there,
You know, I would have had to get like a milk crate and, you know, strap me down into it, but this is a little safer. My adrenaline's pumping.
Yeah, it's it runs good. I mean, I don't.
That was a nice coffee for the, that was like my coffee for the
morning. I mean, we're awake now.
Little boost.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I started off a little sleepy, but not anymore. Yeah, it was.
All right, so you got a full day of racing ahead of you.
Yeah, we have to do that too.
Yeah.
This is just early morning before eliminations, real quick.
Yep, before eliminations, quick little morning wake up.
Yep.
And now you're in stick shift class, right?
Correct. Yeah, stick shift. I think it's a pretty stacked field.
It is.
But we'll see. We'll
it's our largest class here at King of the Open Road, which is super cool. All right, guys, so we were pulling up some 60 to 130 times in this thing. This thing's been 253 60 to 130.
Yeah, that was on the record pass.
That's insane.
Yeah, that was it. That was the 861 174.
253 60 to 130. That's crazy fast, bro. All right, dude, so you're about to take this thing out, get into eliminations, huh?
Yeah, it's almost time to get the job done.
Yeah, man. So I don't think we mentioned earlier before we went for a ride, what's the full rundown on the engine setup?
Okay, so as you can see, H22, JBR sleeve, CP pistons and rods, head supported by me. It's got Skunk 2 cams, all Fourier valve train, other nut. Precision 73, next gen 739R turbo kit. I built that manifold. That's all my stuff. Turbo Smart wastegate. It's got ID injectors, 2 sets of ID injectors. Drive-by-wire. So we do some traction control, launch control, stuff like that. With their Motec M150 inside, GearX dog box, wave track differential, DSS axles, all the big boy good parts. Stuff like what else? Yeah.
And then we got the. Your billet piece here that you created this, right? It's I guess the H22, the all-wheel drive adapter?
Absolutely, yeah. That little guy kind of made all this possible. It's all-wheel drive billet bell housing. So
hell yeah.
I mean, they never made an all-wheel drive Prelude, so I made it happen. So it's
that's awesome.
that was the game changer right there.
So is this currently the quickest and fastest Prelude?
That is correct. Currently quickest and fastest Prelude, first 8-second Prelude as well, and I think the first kind of all-wheel drive running Prelude.
Heck yeah, man.
The bell housing's been out for almost 5 years now, so there's quite a few of them out there. These projects are not cheap to build, so it takes time to build them. I had the opportunity after a little TV show we did, had some sponsors jump on board, and I was able to build this car. So I made it happen. I mean, it's just one of my favorite cars, and glad that they came to this finished product. So I'm pretty excited about it.
Well, can't wait to see you continue racing out there. Good luck in eliminations.
Thank you.
And we'll talk to you soon.
Yep.
All right, guys. So we're here with Aaron, stick shift finals. He's going up against this CR1. I think Aaron's got this in the bag, but in stick shift racing, it's anyone's game. Let's go! Aaron Lopez takes the win.
Wow.
Congrats, guys.
That's right. Yes. Wow.
Congrats, brother.
That was a little unexpected. Didn't quite see that
So
coming.
you snuck your way through with a couple of buys.
A couple of buys.
And then the other fastest car in the field, I think, ended up maybe breaking second gear or
Yeah,
something.
broke the transmission. He did I guess second round, he didn't have second gear, so he went like first and third.
Yeah.
And then that third round, went first, third, made it, and then couldn't get that third after that, broke the transmission.
Damn.
He came out and told me he couldn't make the call. Gotta give him time, but
Yep.
yeah, I hate that walk of shame that he was walking towards me. I don't wish that about anybody, but we'll take it. So.
But hey, man, that's right. That's stick shift racing.
That's it.
You know.
That's it. You know, you can't win if you don't show up.
He took out the ZR1. I actually think he's won the stick shift class previously
Has he really?
at one of our King of the Open Roads.
Yeah, I raced him in qualifying. It was a good race, and I raced him again right now. So
Hell yeah, dude.
Yep.
Dude, congrats, man.
appreciate it. Thank you
This
very
thing
much.
is a
I don't even know
full-fledged
what did it run?
beast. 8.8.
Nice.
Get back to your car.
Yeah.
Appreciate you coming out, man.
Absolutely.
Did the 250-mile drive and
Yep.
did some racing, took me for a ride,
It's still alive.
and it's still chugging.
That's it. Yeah.
What's next for you, man?
We have FL2K, the race car.
Right around the corner.
So, yeah, 2 months, absolutely right around the corner. Like, I'm already out of time. Crazy, right? Yeah, FL2K, and then hopefully we'll finish the year with World Cup.
Awesome.
And maybe next year we'll do some more drag and drives with this thing. So,
Heck yeah, man.
it's
Sweet.
Yeah, we'll dial it in some more and get a little faster.
Hell yeah. We might be planning something in Florida with King of the Open Road.
Okay.
Florida, Georgia, maybe. So I don't know. Just a little teaser here, but
Okay.
maybe we can get you to come out.
Maybe. Yeah, you know my number. Thank you.
Thanks so much for coming out, man. It's really great seeing you, man. Congrats again.
Yes, sir. Thanks.
Thanks.